Hi all of you. I hope you all are doing good. So today's our topic is strong nuclear force. Let's start. In 1932, James Chadwick discovered neutron inside the nucleus, and soon after that Eugen Wigner discovered strong nuclear force. The force which binds proton and neutron together in a nucleus is called nuclear force. हमने देखा था कि इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक फोर्स में कि प्रोटॉन डेट इज़ लाइक चार्जेस एक दूसरे को रिपल करते हैं। अगर लाइक चार्जेस एक दूसरे को रिपल करते हैं तो न्यूक्लियस स्टेबल कैसे रह सकता है। तो विग्नर ने बोला इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक फोर्स से भी कोई एक ऐसा फोर्स होना चाहिए जो इससे भी स्ट्रॉन्ग है, जो इन दोनों के रिपल्शन को वो ओवरकम करके इन दोनों को बाइंड करके रखता हो। तो विग्नर ने बताया कि इन दोनों को जो बाइंड करने वाला फोर्स है, प्रोटॉन न्यूट्रॉन को, इन दोनों को बाइंड करने वाला जो फोर्स है उसका नाम है न्यूक्लियर फोर्स, और उसको इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक फोर्स से भी ज़्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग होना चाहिए। तो इस फोर्स का स्ट्रॉन्ग न्यूक्लियर फोर्स नाम दिया गया। It is 100 times stronger than electromagnetic force. So you can think how strong it is. Its range is within the nucleus up to 10 to the power minus 15 meter. That means it is a very short range force. It is only act within the nucleus. The electrons revolving around the nucleus does not experience this force. It is, and 10 to the power minus 15 meter is also called 1 Fermi, and it is the radius of the nucleus. That means this strong nuclear force exists only in the radius of the nucleus. It is responsible for stability of nucleus. As we know, there are a large number of protons in a nucleus and they will repel each other and the nucleus will go unstable. But only due to the strong nuclear force it will bind with each other, and it is the reason for the stability of nucleus. Electron revolving around the nucleus does not experience this force, as this force is very short range force only within the nucleus. It is also charge independent force and acts equally between proton-proton, proton-neutron and neutron-neutron. So you easily understand how it will bind protons and neutrons inside the nucleus and how nucleus becomes stable. This is the only reason neutrons and protons are held together inside the nucleus. So, I hope you got the basic information about strong nuclear force. If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe, and if you have any doubt regarding this topic or any other topic, then please comment in the comment box.